So today I'm going to show you how to make this pin cushion in such a budget friendly way. So I have taken a plastic for the base and we are going to stitch a waistband with an elastic band. If you want, you can just use simple elastic, but I have just stitched it. So a zigzag stitch, and now I'm taking this scrap material from my previous projects, which I have so many, and we are going to hot glue a fabric over the plastic base, and it's done. And now I'm going to hot glue a waistband on this base, and also we are going to hot glue this scrap fabric into a round fabric. You can just stitch it, or I have simply hot glue it like I have done here. So on Amazon, this pin cushion sells for like 860 to 360 rupees, around that rupees in between, and it's so expensive. You can just make at home with the scrap materials that you own. And now we are going to stitch. I am going to stitch these two things together, hot glue it, and then for the finishing touch I'm just going to hand stitch it over the edges for more strength, and we are done. I guess it turns out to be so amazing and perfect for my liking, and it works. Thank you guys.